Very beautiful Harris Solstice 240. Very good shape. 90 horsepower Mercury. Seat covers kept on the whole boat at all times. Three captain's chairs on the port side, loungers in the back. We're looking at a 240 Harris Solstice, 90 horsepower Mercury engine, three captain's chairs on the port side. Seats are in very good shape. Floor needs cleaning. Lots of cup holders, places to store things. High back seats, large bimini top, very good shape. Loungers on the aft of the boat. Two batteries with switches. 90 horsepower Mercury. Does have a Lowrance. Also a depth finder. Nice layout in the controls.